Today, we will learn English with the real story of Ed Sheeran. Now he is famous. Now he performs in huge stadiums. Now millions of people know his songs. But his life was not always easy. Before success, Ed Sheeran was just a young man with a guitar and a big dream. He did not have money. He did not have a home in London. Sometimes he slept on his friends' floors. Yes, on the floor. Ed Sheeran was born in England in 1991. He loved music from a young age. He learned to play the guitar when he was a child. He also liked to write songs. When he was a teenager, he decided something important. He wanted to become a professional musician. That was his dream. At 16 years old, he left school. Many people thought this was a bad idea, but Ed believed in himself. He moved to London. London is big, London is expensive, and London is difficult when you have no money. Ed did not have much money. He played music on the streets. He played in small clubs. He played for very small audiences. Sometimes only 5 people listened. Sometimes nobody listened. But he continued. He played more than 300 shows in 1 year. Think about that. Almost 1 show every day. He was tired, very tired. He did not have his own apartment. He did not have a comfortable bed. Many nights he slept on his friends' floors, sometimes on a couch, sometimes in strange places. One time he even slept outside near a building. Life was not glamorous. It was cold. It was uncomfortable. It was uncertain. But Ed had something strong inside him: belief. He believed his music was good. He believed people would listen one day. When he felt sad, he wrote songs. When he felt lonely, he wrote songs. Music was not just his dream, it was his friend. In 2010, Ed made a big decision. He went to the United States. He did not know many people there, but he wanted new opportunities. In Los Angeles, he played in small places again. Small rooms, small crowds. One night, something important happened. Actor and musician Jamie Foxx heard him sing. Jamie Foxx liked his music. He invited Ed to stay at his house. Yes, from sleeping on floors to sleeping in Jamie Foxx's house. This was a turning point. Jamie Foxx believed in him. Sometimes one person believing in you can change your life. Ed continued working hard. He recorded songs. He performed everywhere he could. He did not wait for success. He worked for it. In 2011, he released a song called The A-Team. The song became very popular. Suddenly, people started to notice him. Radio stations played his music. Fans shared his songs online. His first album was a big success. After that, everything changed. Bigger concerts, more fans, more money. But Ed never forgot the difficult days. He never forgot sleeping on floors. He never forgot playing for 5 people. He never forgot feeling tired and uncertain. Why is this story important for us? Because success is not fast. Success is not easy. And success is not comfortable. Sometimes you feel alone. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes people do not believe in you. But if you continue, if you practice, if you improve every day, your life can change. Ed Sheeran was not an instant star. He was a hard worker. He practiced every day. He wrote hundreds of songs. Many songs were not successful, but he did not stop. Imagine this. You are in a small room. You are sleeping on the floor. You have little money. Many people think your dream is impossible. Do you stop or do you continue? Ed continued, and today he performs in front of thousands of people. His concerts sell out, his songs are played all over the world, but inside he is still the same person, a boy with a guitar, a dream, and the courage to continue. So, what can you learn from this story? First, your situation now is not your future. Second, hard work is more important than talent alone. Third, one small opportunity can change everything. And one more thing. When you learn English, maybe it feels difficult, maybe you feel slow, maybe you make mistakes. That's okay. Every mistake is practice. Every day you continue, you become stronger. Ed Sheeran did not become famous in 1 week. You will not become fluent in 1 week. But step by step, you improve. And one day you will look back and say, I am proud I did not give up. If this story inspires you, press like and subscribe to watch more powerful stories and improve your English at the same time. Now let's review important words from this story.